Good morning students. Today we will again with the maths, and in that we will study division of fraction. Before we start with the division of fraction, I want to tell you the one concept which is known as reciprocal. Now what do you understand by reciprocal? Write down the point which I am writing on the board and then I will explain it to you what is reciprocal. Okay, write down the numbers except 0 whose product is 1, they are called reciprocals of each other. Okay. Now what do you understand by this? Suppose you have one number 3. Now which number you will multiply this to get answer 1? તો હું તમને સમજાવું. સપોઝ હું આને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરું 1/3 જોડે. સો આઈ વિલ ગેટ ધી આન્સર 1. એનો મતલબ કે અગર કોઈ નંબર છે મારી પાસે, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ મારી પાસે કોઈ નંબર છે 7. ઓકે, સો ઇફ આઈ મલ્ટીપ્લાય example A, example B. If I will multiply 7 with 1/7, then answer will be 1 because 7 cut and the answer will be 1. So reciprocal એટલે શું ખબર છે? સિમ્પલ ટર્મમાં કોઈ પણ નંબરનો ઉલટો નંબર, એટલે કે if the denominator will go in numerator and the numerator will go on in the denominator, that is the reciprocal of any number. Suppose I have number 2/3. So the reciprocal of this number is 3/2. Why? So if I am multiplying these two, the answer will be 1. If I am multiplying these two, the answer will be 1. So reciprocal means change the or flip the number of the numerator and denominator. So I will give you one more example. આ લખી નાખો તમે A, B and C. Now I will give you one example. For example, reciprocal of, find the reciprocal of A 5/7. તો રેસિપ્રોકલ ઓફ 5/7 ઉલટું કરી દેવાનું. 7 ને ઉપર લઈ જવાનું, 5 ને નીચે લઈ જવાનું, 7/5. વાય તો અહીંયા લખવાનું 5/7 multiplied by 7/5 is equal to 1 because 7 cut, 5 cut. Got it? Now if I am writing another example, B 11/13. So reciprocal of 11/13, again 13 ને ઉપર લઈ જવાનો, 11 ને denominator માં રાખવાનો. So why? Because 11/13 multiplied by 13/11 is equal to 1. 11 cut, 13 cut. As you are multiplying, you know multiplying the fraction. Okay, give me one more reciprocal of 32. Now you will think, teacher, this is the whole number. How can we get the reciprocal of the whole number? You can get, because if any whole number has the denominator 1, as I told you earlier, koi par whole number ne ek 1, denominator is 1. So if I will get the reciprocal of this, it is 1/32. So if anywhere the whole number is there, you just write the denominator as 1 and find out its reciprocal. So this is all about reciprocal. Now you will think that, teacher, why do we need to study about reciprocal? So that I will teach you in the now. So before that, you just pause this video and write all these things. Okay, now why this reciprocal is very important? So in division of fraction you will use reciprocal. કેવી રીતે હું સમજાવું? ધારો કે I want to divide, you don't need to write this, you just observe it. Okay, I want to divide 5/8 divide by 1/14. ઓકે, તો તમે એમ કહેશો કે ટીચર ડિવિઝન કેવી રીતે કરવાનું? તો એના ત્રણ સ્ટેપ છે. બહુ શાંતિથી સાંભળવાના. 3 સ્ટેપ ઓફ ડિવિઝન. પહેલી વસ્તુ, કોઈ પણ બે ફ્રેક્શનનું ડિવિઝન એટલે પહેલા ફ્રેક્શનનું બીજા ફ્રેક્શનના રેસિપ્રોકલ સાથેનું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન. That means if you divide any two fraction, you need to flip the second fraction and turn it into its reciprocal. Then you put a multiplication sign between these two numbers. That means if you want to divide any two fraction, that means you multiply this first fraction with the reciprocal of the second fraction. I am repeating again, when you divide two fractions, you are actually multiplying the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second fraction. Third time I am repeating. Division of two fraction means multiply first fraction with the reciprocal of the second fraction. Understood? Now that means मैं અહીંયા જે કર્યું કે first fraction છે 5/8, second fraction હતો 1/14. correct? તો 1/14 નું reciprocal શું થશે? 14/1. અને વચ્ચે કઈ સાઇન આવશે? મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનની. કેમ કે when you are dividing two fraction, you are actually multiplying with the reciprocal of the second fraction. હવે આ બંને વસ્તુ 2 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય છે? 8 4 2 8, 7 2 14. So that is cut. Now you are having 5 multiplied by 7, 4 multiplied by 1. 7 5s are 35. Now 35/4 is the answer. Now 35/4 is an improper fraction. So you need to convert it into proper fraction. You need to convert it into mixed number. 8 4s are 32. So answer is 8 3/4. This is your answer of these things. તો તમને એવું લાગતું હશે કે ટીચર આ સમજ ના પડી. ફરીવાર હું બીજો એક્ઝામ્પલ આપું છું અહીંયા. જસ્ટ સી ઓવર હિયર. ઓકે, આની જ વસ્તુ ફરીવાર કરું છું. 6/15 ડિવાઈડ બાય 3/9. अरे सॉरी 3/5. चलो 6/15 divided by 3/5. Now again I am repeating, when you are divide two fraction, you are actually multiplying first fraction with the reciprocal. એટલે કે 5 ઉપર જતો રહેશે, 3 નીચે આવતો રહેશે. 5 છે એ ઉપર આવતો રહેશે, ન્યુમરેટરમાં 3 નીચે આવી જશે, એટલે એનું રેસિપ્રોકલ થઈ ગયું. એટલે સેકન્ડ ટર્મના રેસિપ્રોકલ જોડે તમારે ડિવાઈડ કરવાનો. આનું રેસિપ્રોકલ શું છે? આ. બરાબર? નાઉ યુ હેવ 5 3s are 15 and 2 3s are 6. So તમે આમ ક્રોસ કોમન ફેક્ટર કાઢવાના. હવે આપણી પાસે છે 2 અહીંયા 1 આવે બરાબર. તો 2 મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 1, 3 મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 1, ઇટ ઇઝ 2/3 બરાબર. સો અહીંયા તમે લખી શકો મલ્ટીપ્લાય, or you don't need to do anything. ઓકે, સો આ એક સ્ટેપ્સ થયા. તો હવે આપણે 3 સિમ્પલ સ્ટેપ્સ પહેલાં લખીશું and then I will explain to you. Okay, chalo, if you want to write you can write, pause this video and write first, then we will continue with the write down along with me 3 simple steps to divide fraction. Now I will show you in the screen. You have to just write down that 3 simple steps to divide a fraction, okay, from the screen. Okay, now you can see on the screen there are 3 simple steps. Now as you see on the screen there are 3 simple steps to divide a fraction. Step 1, turn the second fraction upside down. That is now a reciprocal. Okay, first is turn the second fraction upside down, એટલે કે reciprocal બનાવી દેવાનું. Step 2, multiply the fraction by that reciprocal. You have to multiply the first fraction by that reciprocal. Step 3, simplify the fraction if needed. So there are 3 steps, it is written, please write it down in your notebook as well. There are 3 simple steps to divide a fraction. First, turn the second fraction upside down, then multiply the first fraction with that reciprocal and solve or simplify if needed. Okay, so pause this video for 2 minutes or 3 minutes and complete this question, then I will explain you or give you example. I will show you another simple technique to divide. Okay, remember this keyword. Okay, 3 keywords you need to remember: keep, change and flip. Now how this keyword will help you? First is keep. Keep no matlab છે keep the first fraction as it is. Keep the first fraction as it is. જેમ છે એમ રાખવાનો first fraction ને. Change. Now change the operation. Change the operation એટલે કે વચ્ચે જે સાઇન છે operation from division to multiplication. Please write along with me, huh? Division to multiplication. Keep the first fraction as it is, change the operation from division to multiplication. And the last one is flip. That means flip the second fraction upside down. Flip the second fraction upside down. એટલે કે reciprocal બનાવી દેવાનું. So that's the, and this is 3 operation or 3 things you have to do. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction as it is, change the operation from division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. Okay, so this you have to remember. Now we will move on to exercise. Okay, fine, we'll start with the exercise 2.4, find, and in that first one A, or first you can write first also, I don't mind to write first or second. Now 12 divided by 3/4. Again we will take a technique of keep, change, flip. યાદ રાખજો, આંખો બંધ કરીને યાદ રાખી દો. keep, change, flip, keep, change, flip, keep, change, flip. 10 વખત બોલ નાખવાનું. ઓકે, ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ keep. So keep keep first number as it is. It is a fraction or a number. Keep the first number as it is. Second is change. Change the sign. That means change the operation from division to multiplication. And flip. Flip means flip the second fraction. Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. બરાબર. Now simplify. તમને યાદ હોય તો થર્ડ સ્ટેપ શું હતું? સિમ્પ્લિફાય ઇફ નીડેડ. તો સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરવા માટે આપણે શું કરવાનું? ડિનોમિનેટર અને ન્યુમરેટરની વચ્ચે જો કોઈ કોમન ફેક્ટર હોય તો આપણે કટ કરવાનું. સો દેર ઇઝ અ કોમન ફેક્ટર બિટવીન 12 એન્ડ 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So here now 4 multiplied by 4 upon 1. So the answer is 16. That's the answer. Now second number, that is 14 divided by 5 upon 6. Again remember, keep, change, flip. Keep the first number or fraction as it is. Change the operation and flip this number. So it will change this you have to flip. So it is become 6 upon 5. So 14 multiplied by 6 upon 5. Now 14 6s are 84. So 84 upon 5. Now this is which fraction? Improper fraction. So you need to convert it into mixed number fraction. So convert the mixed number fraction and you will get the answer. So it is 16. 4 upon 5 is the answer. So keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. Now please cut out the common numbers as well. અહીંયા કોઈ common numbers નથી. 14 અને 5 ની વચ્ચે there is no common number. So we need to simply multiply the numerator with the numerator. Denominator we have 1 here. So there is no need to multiply 1 multiply by 5. Okay, now second one. I hope you have finished it. If you have not finished, pause the video and finish it. Okay, now third one. I will write 3 only. You write that 3 I's. Now 8 divided by 7 upon 3. Again keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip means keep the first number as it is, change the operation, flip the second fraction. So that means 8 multiplied by 3 upon 7. Why we do 8 multiplied by? Because there is no common number. So need to, there is no common factors between 8 and 7. So multiply numerator with the numerator. So that is 24 upon 7. Now this is improper fraction. So convert it into mixed number fraction. So 7 3s are 21 and the answer is 3 upon 7. Next is 4 number. 4 divide by 8 upon 3. I want you to do this. Okay. Then 5th number and 6th number I will do for you. You pause the video and do it. See, I have done it for you on the board. You can see whether your answer is correct or not. Now, we will move on to the 5th one. You can see the answer whether it is correct or not. Okay. Fifth one is 3 divided by 2 1 upon 3. 3 divided by 2 1 upon 3. So first of all આને તમારે improper માં convert કરવું પડશે. અહીંયા keep change flip પછી આવશે. So first you need to convert this second fraction into, so you need to like this, 3 divided by 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 7, 7 upon 3. Okay. Now you do keep change flip. Keep change flip. Okay. So that is 3 multiplied by 3 because there is no common factor between numerator and denominator. એટલે કે whole number અને denominator નો કોઈ common factor નથી. So 3 multiplied by 3 upon 7, that will be 9 upon 7. So if I want to, this is improper fraction, so you need to convert it into mixed number. So 7 ones are 7 and 2. So it is 1 2 upon 7 is the answer. Okay. So whenever you have a mixed number, you first need to convert it into improper and then keep change flip. Okay. So I want you to do VI, that is sixth number, and that is your last in this. Okay. Then we will move on to the next one. The last one is 5 divided by 3 4 upon 7. Okay, so first you have to convert it into improper. Pause the video and complete your work. Now I got the answer, that is like this. So that's all for this session. Okay. In next we will continue with the 2.4. Now in question number 2, you need to find a reciprocal of each fraction. So that I am giving you as a homework. Reciprocal means flip the fraction, denominator na numerator માં અને numerator ને denominator માં મૂકવાનું છે, right? So question number 2 is in your homework. So do it right now and then you can close the video. Okay. And then second question number 3 and 4 we will do in the next session. Thank you so much.